We're gonna do a little eating stream here for a second, guys. So enjoy it in all its 1080p Gloria.
He's doing it Jafar. He's doing it Jafar while playing Rainbow Six Siege. He's doing it Jafar.
He's pulling a Jafar. He's nomming, but he has to do it mid-game.
Jafar like this. Ready? Look, he's doing this.
And then talk. He's got to talk too.
Yeah, he's got like.
That's not a donut.
Go back to the screen, please. Talk, double O, talk. Hit a Jafar, talk.
Ooh, there you go, Nightbug. Nice fake all. My turn.
BMPA.
Bound.
Oof.
Kinda want to buy the premium. I have 1,200 credits, so I could. And then how many credits do you get back? 120, 240, probably 600, I bet. 240 times. That's.
Satisfying.
I have a 1.5 KD this
480. You get 480 back. You don't even get 100.
I too like to get all the chocolate off the edges of it.
You get 600 back. 2, 3, 5.
Yep, I too
Yeah,
like
you get 600 back. I miscounted. You get 600 back, which means then I'll have to spend 1,200 more to get my ash skin on top of it.
Oh, skirt. How many donuts you got now,
Kinda
buddy?
worth it. I mean,
I baked all and now I have 0.
I'm already 13 in.
Ooh,
When
okay.
does this- There's 24 days left. I'm almost halfway. Because I play non-stop.
How many do I have?
Flexing on us.
Probably worth it.